You have heard the broken noises from a few of my videos already. You might be wondering why I don't put obnoxious music over my videos. Well, this is the reason why. You see, if I were to put obnoxious music over my The Wolf videos every time I played The Wolf, you wouldn't hear a single broken noise. Because some are quiet, most are loud, but some are quiet, and you wouldn't hear them over the music. Now this is what it would sound like if I put music over it. Broken noise. See, you can barely hear the broken noises, and that is why I do not put music over every single The Wolf video I make. Because if I put music over, as I said earlier, you wouldn't hear the broken noises. Here is what it sounds like if I don't put music over it. It's good. No, what? So close. Oh! Broken noise. See how much better you can hear those broken noises. Those lovely broken noises. Now, I will never, and I mean never, put music whenever I make The Wolf video. Like if it's a gameplay video. But if it's like a random music thing, then you get my point. But the point is, whenever I make the Wolf gameplay videos, I'm not gonna put music over it because if I do, then you won't hear the broken noises, and if I won't, you'll hear it better, as you just saw an example of it earlier. But anyway, I will make a trailer of the This is supposed to be a trailer of the compilation of any high-pitched noises I've encountered so far. First, it will be a video about, first it will be the compilation of any high-pitched noises I've encountered in my Sparkflame account. I'll make a compilation of that first. And then I'll do it with my Venom Frost account once I reach level 60. Anyway, until then, yeah, okay, bye.